My name is Swift. As the leader of today's opposition teams, I would like to define the topic of today's debate. Present my team's case line and 1 point for argument. We, the opposition, believe that pocket money should not be given to children because pocket money should be earned instead of given free. My point is, there is no standard of limited amount to give. Next, our Deputy Minister is Alfred, and he will present 2 points that are, pocket money should not be given to children because it teaches the wrong concept of freedom. It will affect the relationship between parents and children. Next, my third Minister Joe will correct all the wrong points that the government will present to you, so you will believe in us and support us. Finally, my fourth Minister Lucas will conclude our points and case line in his reply speech, so that everyone today will be wise about their money and children. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to define our topic for today. According to Oxford Dictionary, pocket money is defined as sum of money given for use. The word should not means it's defined as sum of money. It's a negative obligation. And the word given means freely transfer of something. Children means a very young person below the age of puberty. In summary, our topic means a very young person below the age of puberty should not be given money freely. We, the oppositions, will stand strong behind this. Ladies and gentlemen, before I begin my first point, let me rebut some points mentioned by the government. According to them, pocket money should be given to children because it teaches oneself how to manage money. Moving on to my first point. Pocket money should not be given to children because there's no standard of limited amount. You see, different parents and family have different ways to value money. For example, I come from a regular income family where my mother thinks 3 ringgit is enough for a day. But some people may think 1 ringgit is enough or 100 ringgit is enough, depending on how much they can afford. Because the children can't see how much is the exact value, and they will think that getting 100 ringgit every day for the rest of their life is normal. But some people see it differently because they don't earn the money. They were driven freely. They don't understand how much hard work it takes to earn the pocket money. Therefore, parents should teach their children to get pocket money. They must earn it by doing some chores or work and aid according to their homework. This will create children who are hardworking and knows the value of money. I hope the audience is well informed now why pocket money should not be given to children. Because money is to be earned, not given freely. Thank you.